In this video, we will see how to hide amount value from your data. So this is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. I want to hide this sales amount. If you have any data you want to show the any third person and you want to hide this, you don't show this total sales to that person. So you can hide it easily. Just select the full column. Click on the control plus one. You get here the format cell. Click on the custom and remove this types detail. Okay, and just enter here 3 times semicolon and click on OK. You can see your data is automatically hide. Okay, if you want to again unhide the data, just select the full cell, press the control plus one and remove this semicolon and click on OK. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank